If you need to edit your SEOPress titles, descriptions, and keywords on a weekend without internet connection, or assign someone to do it, we'll show you the best way to do it. And the best thing is that you don't have to give anyone your WordPress credentials because you can assign just the task of editing the CSV file or edit it yourself, and then import the file once you have internet connection again. To show you the whole process, we'll start by exporting the columns we'll edit, and import them back with the new information to the correct posts using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to visit our written guide. If you need to export your SEOPress titles, descriptions and keywords to Excel, Google Sheets or any CSV file editor, we'll show you how to easily do it. First, we'll open the Export tool. Here, you have to select the columns you want to export. A great thing about the Export tool is that it allows you to select specific columns to export. For example, we'll select the post's ID, title, content, SEOPress titles title, SEOPress title DESC, and the SEOPress analysis target columns. Then, select the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. This is an example of how the information we exported is displayed in Google Sheets. Now you only have to edit the information, which in this case we already did, and then save the file if you are working with Excel, but if you are working with Google Sheets you'll have to download the file. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the Import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Here, select to create new items and update existing items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered into the correct post. In this case, we'll select Record ID here and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now you'll see a preview of how the info will look imported, so click here, and your import process will start. In a few seconds, all SEO titles, descriptions, and keywords will be imported, and you will see them all in the spreadsheet. As you can see, you don't have to worry if one day you don't have internet access and want to update your SEOPress titles, descriptions and keywords, as you just have to export them to your computer, edit them in Excel or Google Sheets, and when you are back online, import the CSV file quickly and easily into WordPress using the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.